that we will be able to build a culture of quality to improve constantly our services so that we will be recognized as Center of Excellence 2 years from now, and thus realizing our vision to be nationally recognized as far as our performance excellence is concerned.
In as much as return on investment is important to our stockholders, we all believe we have to do our part to give back to the community that has trusted us through the years and in the years to come.
The people of Zamboanga City do not have to go to Manila to be able to get the best service, medical service that they want. And I think Ciudad Medical in the future will be able to provide that kind of service that they want and long for. And with the right people, I mean, with our vision and mission that we have ingrained to all our employees and to all of us, I don't think we will be able to fail.